Hi everyone, welcome back to NeoDesign Lab. Today, we're diving into the world of logo design using artificial intelligence, specifically a tool called Looka. Looka is a beginner-friendly AI logo maker that helps you create professional logos in just minutes without needing any design experience. It's perfect for freelancers, startups, or even content creators looking to establish a strong brand identity quickly. To get started, simply go to looka.com and enter your brand name. Then, you'll be asked to choose from a variety of logo styles, color palettes, and icon preferences. Based on your selections, Looka's AI engine will instantly generate multiple logo designs for you to choose from. Once you find a design you like, you can easily customize the font, layout, icons, and colors using their intuitive editor. You can even preview how your logo would look on business cards, websites, and social media profiles. After customizing your logo, you can download it in various formats, including SVG and PNG. It's that simple. Whether you're just starting your business or refreshing your brand, using AI like Looka can save you time, money, and give you creative control. Let me know in the comments what kind of logo you created. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI and design tutorials here on NeoDesign Lab.